friends, welcome to my channel Play with Data. In this video, we will discuss about how easily we can download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 with SQL Server Management Studio. So for that, we need to go to the browser. First, download SQL Server. We have to search SQL Server 2019, and as we know, SQL Server is owned by Microsoft, so need to click on this link of microsoft.com. Now click on downloads. In this page there is two editions available, developer and express edition, but here we will download only express edition 2019. Click and download now. It is downloading on the left. Now directly click on that, or you can right click it and open the same. Minimize all the pages. Please follow the steps. You can see the Express edition have some installation types: basic, custom and download media. Download media is used to download later after download these files, and custom it's especially not for beginners, so we go through the basic installation type. Click on it. Now the license terms are visible. Accept it. Here you need to specify the installation location, that is where Microsoft SQL Server installed. So it is the by default location where the Microsoft SQL installed, but you can select manually to your folder by clicking on browse. Download size is 266 MB. You just need to click install. Now the installation packages are getting downloaded. So friends, downloading is successful. It is now installing. SQL Server installed completely. First is instance name, means address or connection string. And second is log folder, where if SQL get error is reports under the log folder. Third, which edition is this? Fourth, version details. Let's connect it and see SQL Server is visible. That means we have installed successfully. Yes, we have installed successfully. Now going further, here is an option to get SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is a software application or a tool through which we can easily work on SQL Server. There you can create database, tables and administrative works on database. So click on install SSMS. Click on any browser. Now here is the option, and the same link is available in the description. Click to download. So as you can see, there is 635 MB file size, so it will take ample amount of time.
So friends, you can see we download the setup of SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Click on open. Now the location is visible. If you can change the path, you can click on browse.
I can't change anything. Click on install. Friends, now you can see all the components are installed. Now go through Start, search SQL Server and click on Microsoft SQL Server Management 2019. So here's the SQL Server Management Studio, and if you want to know how it works, I have created some SQL Basic Part 1 and Part 2 videos. You can watch through description links. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.